Hi, my name is Marsha Prince, and I am the Student Health Services Coordinator here at Becker College. And I'm going to explain to you how to get into the Student Health Portal, which is also called Medicat. You'll be using the Health Portal for several things. You use it to enter all of your student health record information, complete online required forms. You'll also use it to send and receive secure messages from the Health Services Department. You can use it to schedule appointments with our office and also to print out copies of your student record. There are a few ways to get into the health portal. The first is to go directly to the site, https://becker.medicatconnect.com. The other way you can get in there is from the regular Becker website. If you go to Student Life and then Health Services, once you get to the Health Services page, there'll be a link on the right for health and immunization requirements. And once you go there, you'll have a blue button to launch the health portal. The other way you can get there is if you're in the Becker website and you log into your student account, go down to the helpful links, there'll be a link right there to launch the health portal as well. Once you get to the health portal login page, you'll just log in using your regular Becker login and password. Also in the middle of the page, there's a student health FAQ, which will give you detailed instructions for navigating the health portal. Once you log into the health portal, you'll see different tabs for entering your immunization, uploading the supporting documentation, downloading any forms that you may need to print out, or sending secure messages to us. So that's basically it on how to get into the health portal. And you can always contact our office if you have any questions. Thank you.